ZEPETO lovers, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins and Zems on 2024 method for ZEPETO, guys. No jailbreak, no computer. So let's get straight into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's super insane, guys. It totally works. So yeah, let's go into the video now and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's super crazy, as you can see. So yeah, get with me now into the video and I will show you guys how to become a king like me. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is so awesome. Oh my gosh. So as you can see, I'm really rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is go onto this website. So it's called, what's the website called, my dudes? It's called ZooMods. So let me just type it in right here, as you can see. And then we're just going to go to the search bar, and we're just going to type in ZEPETO. So as you can see, it says ZEPETO mods, so then we download it and we're good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super cool. Totally works, guys. So yeah, peace out. This is awesome. I'm not trying to be rude, but like, why'd you play ZEPETO if you're poor? I'm not poor, I'm rich. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is awesome. It's totally legit, and yeah, it's fully updated for everyone. So yeah, get the word out, I guess. This is so cool, guys. Oh my gosh, look at this method. Yay! I'm the king of ZEPETO. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. Get the word out. You just got to follow the steps, guys. Go to settings if you're on an iPhone. Go to general. Go to background refresh. Turn this on. I have it off because I'm in low power mode. But yeah, I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super cool and it totally works. So yeah, this video works. You guys be sure to go ahead and share it. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super awesome and it's totally working. So yeah, peace out. This is so cool. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Yeah, I mean, there's some people that don't play ZEPETO that might not know about this, but if you play it, guys, you need to try this out right away. It's so sick, bro. It's crazy. This is like the best method, bro. So yeah, you just type in ZEPETO, and then it comes up. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'm gonna see you tomorrow. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is so sick.